How to empty trash on an Android mobile phone. So scroll along to your photos, and at the top click on albums, and at the bottom where it says recently deleted. Now here, if you press and hold, you can then select certain ones to, like so you can either permanently delete or restore. I'll permanently delete those. Or at the top, click on the dots, press select. You can now either restore all or delete all at once, or again, if you start individually selecting them, you can permanently delete. And that's how to empty trash on an Android phone.